and TJ, of course. What are you eating? Are you eating a Hot Pocky?
Yeah.
Really? This is video time. Anyhow, so move it, Grandma. Ooh. Anyhow, so today we're gonna be playing with Nerf guns. Let me flip this camera around. So we got a Nerf gun, we got a scope, we got our bullets, and we got our magazine. So first, you read the thing. Where is it? You see how it says the number 8? That means 8 bullets go in there. And the arrow, you put the arrows facing that way. So, put it there. Hold on, I don't know how I do this. I'm gonna put you guys down right there. So, you see the arrow. So the tip is gonna go that way. So now we do this more, 7 more times, because there can be 8 bullets in here. So let's get this going.
And welcome back to our New York studio and the Verizon halftime report. iPhone 12 Pro.
All right, so we now have our bullet. What is happening?
Not real. JBL with Phil, Coach,
Thanks, Mom.
and Bloom.
All right, so we have our bullets in our magazine now, ready to go. So now we grab our gun. So hold on. So this pull this back, and that's how you shoot. But this pull back, pull it in, and do that, and then bang. Oh wait, I forgot. We have to put our magazine in. So this button helps. Hold on, I'm not there yet. So pull it out. Now we can put our magazine in.
Here we go.
Come over here. Then we put our magazine in. Get ready. Oh man, didn't work. Anyhow, so now pull it back. You see this button? Press it, and that's how you get the magazine out. You don't have to press it when you want to put it back in. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Oh, come on.